Hello, welcome to Fit and Free. Guess who still hasn't figured out the lighting? We're gonna do the thing anyway and get to a little bit of digestive health, fitness, some yoga poses, a little bit of breathing, a little bit of stretching out the arms as usual. I invite you to join me to whatever degree feels good in your body. I just realized how crooked that is. Pardon me. Let's see if I can straighten that out a little bit. It's all a work in progress around here. I know, I hope that doesn't bother you too much. It might, I'm aware. Again, all a work in progress. We'll just see how it goes. Let's see if we can warm up enough to keep the sweatshirt off before I go crash my friend's birthday party and probably eat too much birthday cake. Might as well stretch out first. It's a good life when that's a problem that you got, huh? Bringing the arms across the body, just trying to loosen up those shoulders. Helps to breathe and smile, and then winging that behind the body. I'm staying in close because I'm not sure about the audio back there yet, but eventually I'm gonna go back there. I should yell when I'm back there, not when I'm up here, huh? What did I say about progress? Process, the process of progress. Wiggling that shoulder around. Trying to remember to breathe and smile. And the other side again. Yes, I'm on day 97 of my current 100-day fitness challenge. And I think I'm going to start another one on the new moon. That will be November 13th. Today is November 6th. Yeah, so I'll give myself 3-4 days. Probably try to wrap it up so I can start that challenge on a good foot, so to speak. Let's do some circles with the hands. That said, this round has been relatively mellow, and I've only had a few people join me. That's on Facebook, 100-day fitness challenge, I think is what the group is called, pardon me. I like to do what I call 100 any reps. You may have seen it here on this channel, or I encourage you to just make an agreement to do 100 of anything for 100 days, and then tell me how much better you feel. Because I guarantee, whatever level you're at, if you do a little bit extra and step it up a notch for 100 days, you will feel better. And if you're at level 0, that's totally fine. That's perfect. If you're at level 100 already, that's perfect too. Use that as an incentive to step it up a little more. Let's do big circles with the arms. Getting the breath into it. And the other way. I like to remind you, there's not one way. You're welcome to follow along with what I'm doing or do your own thing. I do encourage you to do something. Check in with your body. I'm gonna move over onto my foam roller here, but you can't see me. I need to get a better setup. I'm gonna work on that, but for now, let's run through what I like to call the digestive health series. And let's see if moving this helps bring us any closer to seeing that mat. Maybe. I'm gonna do some Malasana. That's a deep squat. We'll start with that. I'm gonna do some cat-cow. That's Majarasana and Bitilasana. You're probably getting familiar with these by now if you've been stopping by. I'm going to do some Adho Mukha, some Uttana Shishosana. That's extended puppy pose. This one is rough on my ankles right now, so I'm going to kind of get up on my toes just a little bit to flex those ankles while I do a little bit of a twisting with the arm hooked under the knee. Again, I encourage you to listen to your own body. Check in with yourself. You're welcome to follow along and do a version. come into that cat-cow, which is well combined with some breathing. And I'm gonna exhale into Majarasana or cat pose, tucking the chin, tucking the tailbone, really rounding the spine from side to side and back and forth, pushing, pulling up in the diaphragm, up in the abdomen, and then breathing in Mitilasana. That's pushing up in the chest, lifting the eyes, lifting the head, tipping the tailbone toward the back of the head, or lifting the tailbone, lifting the belly. And with the breath, a few rounds. Around, exhaling and inhaling back to center, tabletop, relatively flat back. I'm going to tuck the toes under and lift the hips, pressing into downward facing dog, pressing through those palms, pressing into the heels, pulling back in the hips, nice and long and strong, through the spine, through the arms, through the legs, sometimes called tent pose or upside down triangle or downward facing dog, Adho Mukha. It's a pose with many names. I'm gonna lift this left leg a little bit, adding a little stretch, a nice long line. A little extra strengthening, and bring that leg down. Let's lift out opposite leg. Bring that down, pressing again into both heels. And then dropping the knees, nice and controlled. I'm looking for about a 90-degree angle between in the legs and what am I trying to say? Yeah, in the legs. And I'm going to slide these hands out, scooch over, or I'm going to hit the chair. Try to keep that 90-degree angle. Uttana Shishosana. Extended puppy pose, stretching through the chest. That's a nice one on the arms. Walking those arms back up. Let's come into whatever this one is called, bow or camel pose. One of these days I will look it up again. Anyway, reaching back, I'm lifting those heels. If you like more of a challenge, you can leave them down. But I'm trying to actually lessen that stretch on my shoulder. Pushing those hips forward. If that's too tough on the knees, you could put a towel under the knees. I feel a little bit of a pinch on my knees, even on this mat. Tucking the tailbone. If any of these hurt, then do not do them. I should have said that earlier, but it's a good time to remind you and me. The point is not to hurt yourself. The point is to develop a healthy relationship with yourself. A little bit more strength, a little bit more stretch, a little relaxation. Let's roll those arms together and come down into I don't know what this pose is called. Nice stretch, rounded up like a ball, like would be child's pose, but then adding a more active stretch through the arms. I will look this one up too. I know it does have a name. Let's bring that up. Come into a little bit of a counter stretch. wrap it up early tonight because of the aforementioned birthday party. We keep it nice and short and sweet. I'd like to remind you, it doesn't have to take a long time, of course. It's nice to take a little longer, and I do sometimes, and I encourage you to do so as well. But also, don't let the length of time be a reason that you don't take a little time consistently to check in with yourself, which is why I love my 100 Any Rep 100-day challenges, because it can take as little as 2 minutes. You can spread it out even if you want, so there's just no excuse not to do it. It can be anything, can be even breaths. Whatever you count, counts. That's my rule. And pardon me, if you're interested in gaining some support, joining a group of supportive other humans, working our way through these 100-day challenges, you are welcome in the Facebook group. I'll try to put a link to that, but it is under the 100-day fitness challenge on Facebook. You probably find us there. As always, I hope you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the description for that link and other ways that you can connect with me. And until next time, stay curious, stay courageous, stay fit, and stay free. Ciao for now.